Wild Money Entertainment. And if you've never been to my channel, welcome. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. So slap that subscribe button so you can be a honeybee. Now, so when I get a box, I get so happy because there's always something special and unique in the box. And I get to use my knife. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Cut like butter. Bye-bye now. Okay, let's see. Don't need the box. Whoa, this is really nice. This is a laptop handbag. And don't need the paper. Okay, this is how it looks on the outside. You know I'm gonna have to do it up close. And it's got a nice name tag. It has handles are thick and comfortable. There's 5 holes that you can adjust the length of the handle. Has a removable metal buckle. The handles are thick and comfortable to hold in hand or on shoulder. Adjustable and detachable shoulder strap. Nice and sturdy clips to clip on, and it clips on easy for the shoulder strap. Inside this bag has many pockets. The first pockets are 3 small pockets, and these 3 small pockets is to hold your phone, wallet, cards, and you have a zipper. A large zipper pocket can hold your personal items. Has a nice sturdy zipper. And it's nice and roomy. You have 1 pad pocket for iPad or tablet, 2 small for other items. And this is my laptop. It's a 15.5. And this is a large pocket. It has a zipper that can hold your documents and your books. And here is where your laptop goes. It's nice and it's padded. Nice and thick padded. And it also have a nice Velcro closure. And this is a picture of my laptop fitting in the bag. This is a handbag. You can hold it in your hand. It could also be a shoulder bag to put it across your shoulder or across both your shoulders. If you want to know more about this handbag, check it out in my description below this video. Throw your likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to be a honeybee. And you want to see all my unique and stuff